Hello friends, welcome to BusyMath channel. My name is Munsha Khatun. In this video, I am going to discuss about the apoptosis, which is the most important question, okay? So before starting the video, I will request you to please watch this video completely, and if you like the video, then please press on the like button and comment in the comment box, and please share this video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so whenever I post the video you will get the update. So let's start with the video. Apoptosis. First I am going to discuss about its definition, its causes, then morphology, biochemical changes, mechanism, that is intrinsic and extrinsic mechanism. Before discussing its definition, first I will tell some important points, okay? The first point is it is derived from the Greek word that is falling off. That is what it means, that leaf fall off from the tree. So when they are no more useful to the plant, then or the tree, then the leaves will be getting fall off. So like these are cells from our body, they get destroyed when they are no more useful to our body, okay? जब हमारे cells हमारे body के लिए useful नहीं है तो हमारे cells destroyed हो जाते हैं, okay? So apoptosis is a pathway of cell death where cells are killing their own selves, that is committing suicide. Apoptosis में क्या हो रहा है, सेल का सुसाइड हो रहा है, मतलब सेल अपने आप को मार दे रहे हैं, सेल सुसाइड हो रहा है. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज apoptosis also known as programmed cell death. Why apoptosis also known as programmed cell death? As this जो पाथवे है apoptosis का वो जीन से प्रोग्राम्ड है. जब हम आगे पढ़ेंगे इसमें वीडियो में तो हम बोलेंगे तो apoptosis जीन्स से प्रोग्राम्ड है, एंड वो जीन्स जो कि apoptosis को प्रोग्राम करती हैं वो प्रोटो ऑन्कोजीन्स हैं, ओके? दैट इज प्रो apoptotic genes, anti apoptotic genes. So these genes are programming this pathway. Hence apoptosis is also known as programmed cell death. Programmed cell death, ये जो term है programmed cell death, it is first used in embryology. That is death of the specific cell at specific time during the development, okay? Third point is that the cells, they kill themselves by activating certain enzymes such as caspases and causing the destruction of the DNA and damage to the nuclear and cytoplasmic proteins, okay? इसमें क्या होता है, सेल्स खुद को मारते हैं. कैसे मारते हैं? एंजाइम्स को एक्टिवेट करके, और ये एंजाइम जब एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं, जैसे कि कैस्पेसेस ले लो, तो वो डीएनए का डिस्ट्रक्शन कॉज करते हैं और न्यूक्लियर एंड साइटोप्लाज्मिक प्रोटीन्स का डैमेज कॉज करते हैं और रिजल्ट इन दी apoptosis. In apoptosis, cell membrane remains intact. Remember this point, that in apoptosis, cell membrane remains intact, okay? Whereas in necrosis, cell membrane get disrupted, whereas in apoptosis, cell membrane remains intact. This is the most important point to remember. Definition. Now coming to the definition, it is a pathway of cell death induced by tightly regulated intracellular program in which cell destined to die activate the enzymes that degrade cells on DNA and nuclear and cytoplasmic protein. सेल डेथ हो रही है apoptosis में, ओके? प्रोग्राम सेल डेथ है, दैट्स वाई इट इज टाइटली रेगुलेटेड बाय द इंट्रासेलुलर प्रोग्राम. सेल्स के अंदर जो जीन्स प्रेजेंट हैं उससे ये पाथवे टाइटली रेगुलेटेड है, ओके? सो इसलिए इसको अपन प्रोग्राम सेल डेथ बोलते हैं. इसमें क्या होता है, सेल्स कैसे मर रहे हैं? एंजाइम्स को एक्टिवेट करके. सेल्स किल देमसेल्व्स बाय एक्टिवेटिंग द एंजाइम्स. फिर ये एंजाइम्स एक्टिवेट होने के बाद क्या करते हैं, सेल्स का जो डीएनए है उसको डिग्रेड कर देते हैं और न्यूक्लियर एंड साइटोप्लाज्मिक प्रोटीन्स का डैमेज कॉज कर देते हैं, एंड दस रिजल्टिंग इन दी apoptosis, ओके? कॉजेस. apoptosis occurs both in physiological and as well as pathological condition. Remember this point कि physiologically भी apoptosis होता है, pathologically भी apoptosis होता है. But necrosis occurs only in pathological conditions, okay? Causes of apoptosis. Causes of apoptosis: physiological causes, pathological causes. Physiological causes as in embryogenesis. The first term, that is the programmed cell death, it is derived from embryogenesis. So apoptosis is occurring in embryogenesis. Okay. Killing of inflammatory cells such as neutrophils, lymphocytes after completing their function. न्यूट्रोफिल्स लिम्फोसाइट्स जब इन्फ्लेमेटरी कंडीशंस में जब वो लोग ब्लड वेजल्स में से निकलने के बाद वो साइट पे जाते हैं जहाँ पे इन्फेक्शन है, जहाँ पे इन्फ्लेमेशन है, उसके साइट पे जाके हमारी बॉडी को प्रोटेक्शन देते हैं. तो उनका जो फंक्शन हो जाता है प्रोटेक्शन देने के बाद, तो वो एपोप्टोसिस के पाथवे के थ्रू न्यूट्रोफिल्स और लिम्फोसाइट्स किल्ड हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि अब वो यूजफुल नहीं रहते हैं बॉडी के लिए. इसलिए killing of autoreactive cells, मतलब the cells which can react against our own body system and thus causing the autoimmunity. So that autoreactive cells are killed by apoptosis pathway and thus prevents our body from autoimmunity. Pathological conditions as in chemotherapy or radiotherapy, viral hepatitis caused by hepatitis C infection. In this, the apoptotic bodies in hepatitis C infection are known as concealment bodies. CD8-mediated damages which are seen in graft versus host disease and viral infections. So these are the physiological causes and pathological causes of apoptosis. During embryogenesis, first I am going to discuss about the physiological conditions during embryogenesis, such as in, for example, implantation, organogenesis, metamorphosis. In this, apoptosis is taking place. The lot of cells are not needed and they die via apoptosis in a programmed manner. The cells which are not needed to our body, they will be died, okay, by apoptosis. The term programmed cell death was first used in embryology, that is the death of the specific cell at a specific time during the development. Which cells are not needed? For example, take Mullerian ducts. They are present in female fetus, but they are absent in male fetus, because the Sertoli cells, they will be producing the factor, that is Mullerian inhibiting factor, which is causing the apoptosis of the Mullerian structure in male fetus. Male fetus के अंदर Mullerian ducts का जो होता है apoptosis हो जाता है, that is they get destroyed by a apoptosis pathway. Okay, why? क्योंकि जो मेल फीटस के अंदर जो सर्टोरी सेल्स रहते हैं वो मुल्लेरियन इनहिबिटिंग फैक्टर प्रोड्यूस करते हैं एंड दस कॉजिंग द apoptosis ऑफ मुल्लेरियन स्ट्रक्चर. मुल्लेरियन डक्ट्स क्या होते हैं? दे डेवलप इनटू द फैलोपियन ट्यूब्स, यूटेरस एंड द पार्ट ऑफ द वजाइना. So in males they are largely suppressed, okay, whereas in females they are present, but in males they are suppressed, or by apoptosis the cells are getting destroyed by secretion of the Mullerian inhibiting factor by the Sertoli cells of the male fetus. Okay, so this is the example of the embryogenesis. Second is hormone dependent apoptosis. For example, take regression of the lactating breast after weaning. Second is prostatic atrophy after castration. What castration means? Castration is the removal of testes by surgical method or by any other means. So when the testes are removed, then testosterone level will get reduced, and if testosterone level get reduced, then the prostatic atrophy take place. Okay, thus resulting in the apoptosis. Third is endometrial cell breakdown during the menstrual cycle. Now, third is maintaining the cell population. Apoptosis is a very common phenomenon in multicellular organisms in maintaining the cell population. In multicellular organism, to maintain the cell population, apoptosis is occurring. That is, it is maintaining the homeostasis. For example, take immature lymphocytes in the bone marrow and thymus. They are getting destroyed by apoptosis B lymphocytes in germinal center, they are getting destroyed, which are failed to express the useful antigen receptors. As they don't express any useful thing, they are not useful to our body, so they are getting destroyed by a pathway apoptosis. Epithelial cells in intestinal crypts are also getting destroyed by a pathway of apoptosis and thus maintaining the cell population. Death of the host cells that have served their purpose, such for example take neutrophils. When they take part in acute inflammation, after taking part, their function is no more, so they are getting destroyed by the pathway apoptosis. That is, another example is lymphocytes at the end of an immune response, because in these situations what happened, they are deprived of necessary survival signals. So these neutrophils and lymphocytes, after their function is over, that is protection of our body against the infectious agent, after their function is over, they are deprived of necessary survival signals such as the growth factors, so they are died by the pathway apoptosis. Death of the highly reactive lymphocytes, because when the maturation of lymphocytes are taking place, what happened? Maturation of lymphocytes, when they are taking place in the lymphocytes are when they are getting matured into the highly effective immune cells, the elimination of lymphocytes occurs, which become highly reactive and can act against our own cells. The lymphocytes which become highly reactive to our body, okay, and they can act against our own cells, such lymphocytes they are destroyed by the apoptosis pathway, because if they are present in our body, they causes the autoimmune diseases. So to prevent the autoimmune diseases, the lymphocytes which can act our own system, they are getting destroyed. That is, the highly reactive lymphocytes are getting destroyed by the apoptosis pathway. Apoptosis in pathological conditions such as chemotherapy or radiotherapy, cell death by various injurious stimuli, mainly radiation and by the drugs. So the drugs or by the radiation, cytotoxic drugs, and by the radiation, the cell injury which is taking place. So these injured cells are there. They are dying by the pathway known as apoptosis. Okay. Radiation, because this radiation and cytotoxic drug, they cause damage to DNA. So if this damaged DNA, if it is cannot repair, okay, by our cell, then it is better to kill that cell, because this damaged DNA, if it is present in our body, then it will increase the risk of carcinoma by translocating the mutated DNA. जो डीएनए डैमेज हो गया है साइटोटॉक्सिक ड्रग और रेडिएशन की वजह से, डीएनए डैमेज हो गया तो वो सेल को तो मर जाना ही सही होता है एपोप्टोसिस के पाथवे से। बट अगर नहीं मरा वो सेल तो क्या हो सकता है, हमारी बॉडी में कार्सिनोमा हो सकता है, बिकॉज ऑफ द ट्रांसलोकेशन ऑफ दिस म्यूटेटेड डीएनए। थर्ड इज viral infections. Apoptosis is seen in viral infections. For example, hepatitis C viral infection, in which the apoptotic bodies are known as Consilman bodies. The third cause is pathologic atrophy in parenchymal organs. So this is seen in duct obstruction of gland. जब भी duct obstruct हो जाती है कौन सी भी, टेक फॉर एग्जाम्पल पैरोटिड, पैंक्रियाटिक, किडनी, इन लोगों की अगर डक्ट ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट हो गई, ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट हो जाने की वजह से क्या होता है, ब्लड फ्लो नहीं होता है। जब ब्लड फ्लो नहीं होगा अच्छे से, इस्चीमिया हो जाएंगी। ड्यू टू द डक्ट ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन देयर विल बी इस्चीमिया, बिकॉज देयर विल बी ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन, देयर विल बी नो फ्लोइंग ऑफ द ब्लड. Okay, ischemia is taking place, and because of this reason atrophy is taking place of the parenchymal cells and leading to the apoptosis, that is the cell death. Okay, apoptosis also seen in tumor cells. If tumor cells are regressing on treatment, so some tumor cells die via apoptosis. ट्रीटमेंट देने पे अगर थोड़े ट्यूमर सेल्स जो हैं वो रिग्रेस हो रहे हैं, कम हो रहे हैं, तो वो ट्यूमर सेल्स जो होते हैं उनकी डेथ हो जाती है विया एपोटोसिस। फिफ्थ इज एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ मिसफोल्डेड प्रोटीन्स। Misfolded proteins arise because of mutations in the gene encoding these proteins. Misfolding of proteins क्यों होता है? तो जो जीन्स हैं जो कि ये प्रोटीन्स को एनकोड करती हैं वो जीन्स की म्यूटेशन की वजह से या फिर एक्सट्रिंसिक फैक्टर्स की वजह से, जैसे कि डैमेज हुआ है फ्री रेडिकल से। सो ये दो केसेस में फोल्डिंग प्रोटीन्स की मिसफोल्डिंग हो जाती है और ये मिसफोल्डेड प्रोटीन्स एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम में एक्यूमुलेट हो जाते हैं, लीडिंग टू द एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम स्ट्रेस, एंड दिस विल रिजल्ट इन द एपोटोटिक सेल डेथ. Apoptosis, which is caused by the accumulation of misfolded proteins, is the basis of the severe neurodegenerative diseases of CNS and other organs. It means अगर ये misfolded proteins जो हैं, अगर ये इन लोगों की वजह से अगर एपोटोसिस नहीं हुआ और ये मिसफोल्डेड प्रोटीन्स हमारी बॉडी में एक्यूमुलेट होते गए और एपोटोसिस नहीं हो रहा है, that is defective apoptosis is taking place, apoptosis is not happening, and these misfolded proteins are not removed from our body and they are getting accumulated in our body, then they will result in neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, Huntington's disease. Okay, now discussing about the morphology. The morphology of apoptosis is best seen in electron microscope. Okay, the first feature which we are seeing is, that is the earliest finding or the first feature, is the cell shrinkage. Remember this important point, that in all kinds of cell injuries, cell swelling is present except for the apoptosis, in which we are seeing cell shrinkage. In this, what happens? Cytoplasm becomes more dense, organelle is tightly packed, and cell becomes smaller in size. Necrosis में भी cell swelling होती है, whereas in apoptosis cell shrinkage होता है, cell का size reduce होता है. Okay, cell becomes smaller in size, organelle is tightly packed, cytoplasm becomes more dense. Second feature or the most characteristic finding is chromatin clumping or chromatin condensation or pycnosis. Okay, chromatin get aggregated just beneath the nuclear membrane. Sometimes chromatin condensation or chromatin aggregation can cause breakdown of nucleus. So nucleus का fragmentation होता है and chromatin clumping की वजह से nucleus का fragmentation हो सकता है. That is the pycnosis. And pycnosis is the feature which is seen in both apoptosis as well as in necrosis, whereas karyorrhexis and karyolysis is seen only in necrosis. Third feature is formation of apoptotic bodies and apoptotic blebs. Initially there is the formation of blebs, and then these blebs they get detached from the apoptotic cell and they form apoptotic bodies. पहले apoptotic blebs form होंगे ऐसा. First apoptotic blebs are forming, okay, and then they get detached from the apoptotic cell and then they form apoptotic bodies. Apoptotic bodies are formed from the fragmentation of apoptotic cell. इसमें क्या हो रहा है? apoptotic cell का fragmentation होता है and this will result in the formation of the apoptotic bodies. Content of apoptotic bodies is cytoplasm, densely packed organelles with or without nucleus or nuclear fragment. Cytoplasm है, densely packed organelles हैं और nucleus के साथ हैं भी या फिर न्यूक्लियस रहता भी है या फिर नहीं भी रहता है. फोर्थ फीचर इज phagocytosis of apoptotic bodies by macrophage. फोर्थ फीचर क्या होता है? जो apoptotic bodies हैं उनकी phagocytosis हो जाती है. This is the end outcome in the morphology of apoptosis. Okay, fate of apoptosis क्या होता है? पहले तो apoptotic bodies form होंगी, okay, then they will be binding with the scavenger receptors present on the macrophage and thus undergoing the phagocytosis. This is the important point to remember, that there are 3 phagocytic receptors: Manners receptor, scavenger receptor, and receptor for various opsonins. So among these 3, scavenger receptors which are present on the macrophage are involved in apoptosis pathway. Okay. Entire process occurs very rapidly and cell membrane remain intact. Hence there is no leakage of enzymes from cell, so no inflammation. ये जितना भी प्रोसेस होता है ये रैपिडली है, फास्ट होता है, और इस एपोटोसिस में सेल मेम्ब्रेन जो है रिमेन्स इंटैक्ट, वेयर एज इन नेक्रोसिस सेल मेम्ब्रेन गेट डिसरप्टेड. ओके, नेक्रोसिस में सेल मेम्ब्रेन इंटैक्ट नहीं रहता है, नेक्रोसिस में सेल मेम्ब्रेन टूट जाता है और जो सेल के अंदर जो भी कंटेंट रहते हैं वो सेल से बाहर निकल जाते हैं. वेयर एज इन एपोटोसिस सेल मेम्ब्रेन जो है इंटैक्ट रहता है, वो नहीं टूटता है, और जो सेल के जो कंटेंट्स हैं वो सेल के अंदर ही रहते हैं, सेल से बाहर नहीं निकलते हैं और इन्फ्लेमेशन नहीं होती. सो एपोटोसिस में हम इन्फ्लेमेशन नहीं देखते, देयर इज नो इन्फ्लेमेशन इन एपोटोसिस, वेयर एज इन नेक्रोसिस द इन्फ्लेमेशन इज present. So the first step which is taking place is, first what happened, cytoplasmic blebs are formed from the parental cell like this. Okay, and then detach of the cytoplasmic blebs, and they are getting detached from parental cell and they are forming into apoptotic bodies, and these apoptotic bodies then they are binding with the scavenger receptor which are present on the macrophages and thus undergoing the phagocytosis pathway and thus resulting in the cell death. So these apoptotic bodies, they are getting engulfed by the macrophage and undergoing the phagocytosis. So this is all about the apoptosis. In this video I discuss about its definition, its causes, and about its mechanism. The causes are physiological and pathological. Physiological causes which we are seeing is, physiological causes are embryogenesis, killing of inflammatory cells, killing of autoreactive cells, chemotherapy or radiotherapy, viral hepatitis, CD8 mediated damage. Okay, these are the causes, physiological causes and pathological causes. When it comes to morphology, the first feature or the earliest finding is cell shrinkage. The second feature or the most characteristic finding is chromatin clumping or the chromatin condensation or pycnosis. And the third feature is formation of the apoptotic bodies and apoptotic blebs. Okay, and fourth feature or the end result or the end outcome or in morphology of apoptosis is phagocytosis. Okay, so the things which are taking place here are, first cytoplasmic blebs are forming, then they are getting detached from the parental cell resulting in the formation of apoptotic bodies, then this apoptotic bodies binding with the scavenger receptors and thus phagocytosis is taking place. So this is all about we discuss in this video about its apoptosis definition, that is, it is a programmed cell death. In apoptosis cell suicide is taking place, and how the cell suicide is taking place, the cells, they are activating the enzymes such as, for example, caspases, and they are destroying or damaging the DNA and nuclear and cytoplasmic proteins, thus causing the cell death, that is the apoptosis. So it is a programmed cell death in which cells are destined to die by activating the enzymes and causing the damage of the DNA and nuclear and cytoplasmic proteins. So this is the apoptosis definition. Okay, next we discuss its causes, physiological and pathological. Remember, the apoptosis is mainly important and most commonly seen in physiological condition. Because why it is seen most commonly in physiological condition, take for example embryogenesis. Embryogenesis is seen in all human beings, is seen in all, hence apoptosis is commonly seen in physiological condition because of the example of embryogenesis. And the term programmed cell death, it is first derived from this embryogenesis part, embryogenesis only, in which the cell death is taking place Okay, specific cell death taking place at specific time, and hence it is known as programmed cell death. In a programmed way, the cell is getting died. Okay, so this is the important point. Important point is apoptosis most commonly seen in physiological conditions. For example, take for example embryogenesis, as it is seen in all organisms. Okay, because of this reason apoptosis is most commonly seen in physiological condition. So this is about its definition, causes and morphology. In my next video I am going to discuss about its biochemistry as well as about its mechanism, intrinsic pathway and extrinsic pathway. So if you like the video, then please press on the like button and comment in the comment box, and please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so whenever I post the video you will get the update. And please share the video with your friends so that they should also get benefit. Thank you.